Ebooks. Ebooks are digital versions of written books that can be read on phones, tablets, or computers. They became popular as reading shifted from paper to screens, making it easier to distribute knowledge without printing costs. What makes ebooks valuable is how quickly they can be created and sold, often focusing on specific problems or topics people want to understand. They matter because they allow individuals to package their expertise into something simple, portable, and scalable. Online course. Online courses are structured learning experiences delivered through video lessons, text, or interactive content. They grew with the rise of the internet and platforms that made teaching accessible to anyone with knowledge to share. Unlike ebooks, they guide learners step by step, often including exercises or assignments. Their importance comes from the deeper transformation they offer, helping people gain practical skills rather than just information. Membership sites. Membership sites are platforms where users pay regularly, usually monthly, to access exclusive content or communities. They often include ongoing lessons, updates, or private discussions. What sets them apart is the recurring nature of the income and the sense of belonging they create. They matter because they turn one-time buyers into long-term participants, building both stability for the creator and continuity for the user. Templates. Templates are pre-designed files that people can customize for their own use, such as resumes, presentations, or social media posts. They come from a need to save time and maintain consistency in design or structure. Unlike courses or ebooks, they're immediately usable without learning much. Their value lies in efficiency, helping users skip the process of starting from scratch. Printables. Printables are simple digital files designed to be printed, like planners, worksheets, or checklists. They are often used for organization, productivity, or personal development. What makes them unique is their simplicity and low cost, making them easy to create and sell in large quantities. They matter because they solve small but recurring problems in everyday life. Stock photos and videos. Stock photos and videos are digital media assets that people buy to use in their own projects. These products come from photographers and videographers who license their work for commercial or personal use. Unlike other digital products, they are not educational but creative resources. Their importance lies in saving time and effort for businesses and creators who need high-quality visuals quickly. Software and apps. Software and apps are digital tools built to perform specific tasks, from productivity to entertainment. They have evolved alongside technology, becoming more accessible even to small creators through no-code or low-code tools. What makes them different is their functionality, offering solutions rather than just information. They matter because they can automate processes, improve efficiency, and create entirely new ways of working. Plugins and extensions. Plugins and extensions are add-ons that enhance existing software or platforms. They are commonly used in websites, browsers, or content management systems. Instead of building something from scratch, they improve what already exists. Their value comes from customization, allowing users to tailor tools to their specific needs without deep technical work. Music and audio products. Music and audio products include beats, sound effects, voiceovers, and background music sold digitally. These products are widely used in videos, podcasts, and advertisements. What sets them apart is their emotional impact, shaping how content feels rather than what it says. They matter because they help creators enhance storytelling and engagement. Digital art and graphics. Digital art and graphics are visual creations sold for use in design, branding, or decoration. They range from illustrations to logos and icons. Unlike stock media, they often carry a unique style or identity tied to the creator. Their importance lies in helping individuals and businesses stand out visually in a crowded digital space. Notion templates and digital systems. Notion templates and digital systems are organized setups within productivity tools that help users manage tasks, goals, or workflows. They have grown in popularity as people look for better ways to structure their digital lives. What makes them different is how they combine design with functionality. They matter because they simplify complex systems into something users can adopt instantly. Webinars and workshops. Webinars and workshops are live or recorded sessions focused on teaching or demonstrating something in real time. They often include interaction, making them more engaging than static content. Their value comes from immediacy and connection, allowing creators to teach while also responding to questions. They matter because they bridge the gap between content and personal experience. Digital services packaged as products. Digital services packaged as products are predefined offerings like branding kits, website setups, or consulting bundles sold at fixed prices. Instead of custom work, they follow a clear structure and scope. What makes them unique is how they blend service with product thinking. They matter because they make services more scalable and easier for customers to understand. NFTs and digital collectibles. NFTs and digital collectibles are unique digital assets stored on blockchain technology, often tied to art, music, or virtual items. They gained attention as a new way to own and trade digital creations. Unlike other products, their value is often linked to scarcity and ownership rather than utility. They matter because they introduce new models of value and ownership in the digital world. Email newsletters as products. Email newsletters as products are curated or original content delivered regularly to subscribers, sometimes behind a paywall. They evolved from simple email marketing into standalone content businesses. What makes them different is their direct and personal nature. They matter because they create a consistent relationship between creator and audience without relying on platforms. Now that you have seen how these digital products take different forms, the real insight is in understanding what they all share. Each one turns knowledge, creativity, or skill into something that can be used again and again. If one stood out to you, or if you finally understand how one of them works, drop in the comments and share what clicked for you. And if you have another topic you want to see broken down like this, write it in the comments too, because that might just be the next video.